I wanna take her to anywhere. Maybe we make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove.
Hey you guys, welcome back to your girl's music journey. Today you guys are going to be exploring new artists. This one is called Big Mouth. Now I don't know if that's her real name, but that's what the title is. BM, Big Mouth. Why? Hello, Tatillo. Welcome everybody, you guys. Welcome to your girl's channel. We will break it down, see if I get the full meaning of the idea, see how she comes in. This one's called Holy Dog, Saintly Horse. Okay, that is a title. Let's go. First time ever reacted to this artist, so let me know the first time how you guys felt when you first heard it, the meaning and all that. Now let's see if your girl can connect the dots, get the full meaning, and let's go. She's a horse. She's a horse. Okay, I was trying to give her benefit of the doubt, y'all. Because music is music, art is art. But Lord. Okay, she did the snake hissing at the beginning. She a whole ass horse right now, y'all. This is a lot to take in. This a whole lot to take in, y'all. A whole ass zoo up in here. She is doing facts too. Monkey. She sounding like a monkey now. She's going like, oh gosh. I done seen it all. I done seen it all. Oh my gosh. I mean, she got white eyes like me. That did not help. We gotta know what she's saying, y'all. This was a whole, she did all the animal effects, all the animal sound effects. Why does she sound like a horse like that, y'all? How the hell does she sound like a horse like that? Oh my gosh. Holy dog. On a bus in front of me was a lady praying the rosary with her eyes closed. She asked to be dropped off at the convent. The driver replied to the right for a bloating area, least to be caught. But the lady started cursing. Holy dog, saintly horse, I am laughing. Hi, hi, hi. Holy dog, saintly horse, I am laughing. Hi, hi, hi at you. A man is preaching on the street. A beggar boy asked for him for alms. I am sorry, he said. There is for the temple. And he, the child, begged just for some food. Please, can you not give me anything? But the preacher moved somewhere else. Holy dog, saintly horse, I am laughing. Ha, ha, ha. I am laughing. Hi, hi, hi at you. Whatever you're doing to your brother is what you also doing to me. Holy dog, saintly horse, I am laughing. Hi, 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 hi. Now, of course, let me know down in the comments if the translation is good, you guys, and I'll correct myself. I still didn't get the meaning. This was a whole lot for your girl. I ain't never made a reaction like this, y'all. Yeah. Hey, she took animals to a whole different level. I'll probably never look at a horse the same again. Now, y'all let me know if y'all rocking with her, and we gonna see what else she can bring to the table. This just amazed me. This was just so much in so little time. My heart, my body couldn't take it, y'all. I can't even do those sound effects. So she on point with that, like, but why? Why? Y'all let me know down in the comments how y'all feel about Big Mouth. Well, I see her name why, because she could sound like a whole ass horse, y'all. That is crazy to me. That is unbelievable. Is she a human or an animal? You guys let me know the first time you heard this. How did you guys feel? How did you guys feel? Gosh. Let me know down in the comments, and we definitely keep jamming her. See what else she can bring to the table. She got a lot. She got a lot she can bring to the table, y'all. We just seen that. We just seen that. But you guys let your girl know. Your girl definitely keep jamming her, rocking her, different artists.